na akran nim say apia o ye bema onyeni oyoba nyeni dina nanka bebre na nim say apia yoba me pacho o ye bema. This is Apia Joseph. Now right now no by his grace momua mo sempo amoteku a mo yiyi bae no yetimi atua the bill a mo pese mo de yes operation no yetimi atua na me expect say ke etua wie na nanka mu yi operation no na so Dr. Amoa e ma meti ase say COVID-19 nti no moreover no em say mo ye the gospel must go and the gospel is still going. Trade upon Yankupun Shira na onyo kesiye. I think say it's been a while, more than 3 months. People are requesting for the update of Joseph Apia's operation. Now, me pese me mamo update, you know. Now, ubiye hu the air coso. Before then, no, I'm say yeah, by few na surrounding, you know, and I know maybe in the war, no, it was not in good order. So I try say I'll put up one room for them, and now we about bet my say 90% completed. One room here, me person me put up up here. What let's say it 90% completed. Akasi be painting here. Yanko back na yanko share what is going on. Me person mo share na amuhu update no ede emame. Let say it's about 3 months now that people have been calling. Brother Martin, how far appears operation? How far? By His grace, make you try receipt ni nyina ye kotua ye no receipt omodema ye ni ade nyina no everything is intact. Make sure receipt ni nyina e dey ascend them. By His grace, this is Apia. This is Apia. Those of you who saw Apia last time, no, this is the Apia that the operation is supposed to be done. Right now, no, you call hospital. Let me say, Dr. Amoa, one man by name Dr. Amoa. The pathology number here. This is Dr. Amoa's number 0244294460. 0244294460. Dr. Amoa, MSL Children Department, our Confanoche. Those of you who want the doctor who is in charge of Apia's operation, and 0244294460. Dr. Apia, Dr. Amoa. Number no it is open update bia na ubetimi afre na before then no me pese me twen ma adwen edi esibibi so em se na bebre na wonder brother Martin what is going on Apia bra ade ba kwa me pese me listeners me followers all those who have that what they call sympathy ma mo ye mo hwehwem se bebre na akra nim se Apia o ye be mo nyeni oyoba nyeni dina nanka bebre na nim say Apia yoba me pacho oye bema. This is Apia Joseph. Now right now no by His grace momua mo sempo amoteku a mo yiyi bae no yetimi atua the bill a mo pese mo de yes operation no yetimi atua na me expect say ke atua wie na nanka mu yi operation no na so Dr. Amoa e ma meti ase say COVID-19 nti no moreover no em say mo ye one operation omu wie na akola na omu ye no operation no test positive. Doctors ni bi so e war hospital hono so no e bi so test positive. Nurses for no eti edurubra bi a me friend Dr. Amoa to sense du ba bi kwa na ni bu ofu me eti me sa the pressure ni be si a wo fon se e ni omumom na enfre e bi a me enye me ba no no enti na bi a one person e bi a obetie mi anase enti omo so mfre awo fo no so frɛ ya the same report on dey ma say because of COVID-19 no eti mesre me listeners me followers mo ka bi ewom e bi a we are aban penny soldiers amu follow me what do you call aban penny for amu follow doctors amu follow Dr. Amoa number na me dey ato on ti mesre say bia mo question bi anasem bi se bi because beye ya say bia why you 1 city why you 2 city say but abofreti na me di 2 city ama brother Martin gongon bita eso on fan koye bibi na at the end of the day no on tehwe abofra na bi ese kwen operation no operation na yenye ebasa na chese me de kwanbone so abeju sika kodi o me so me mpani sa sabi the little kakra bi anya me de ashira me no is enough for me what I say is enough for me enu ti na ma update ni eba ye enoma bi a doctors ne se yenye bia ye eduro no metra ye jame abimetumi eto de ti ami ye video we update eba na bia ni diem ni ayi a aha ye crash but you can see these are the things that you hear the feed you know. Say a supper SSI for Fred Edemano. We are doing this to say the operation will be done. And to those of you are now here update me, I don't know. My shut up. Now I decided not to talk. Me imagine say me update be a me video be a far pia ho. Till say me we say a operation every. But I said the cost keeps on coming. A man for free. Sometimes you might think say be crying and nipa because course never be a nipa and Timon other communities any be GGCKD and I said bibisa. It me we a video ya me send me we a make receipt you know and so at the make your friend say make receipt you know make receipt you know now me the what do you call me the other I send it now more will be there everything make sure my dream at the SCBB so we a update of Apia Joseph Apia bra me pese muhuno this is Apia na efia me wo omufie ne ye ba yen so no me pacho em say Apia ma me wo ha na busuafo wo ha sabe apart from say ye tua what do you call bill no sometimes you know oh why bia no bia send 1 cedi 2 cedi e bia monfa mo anase bibisa me ba yen no me te say Apia papa em say anwo kire ne ade ntino na ni ko sem na sifo nyina wode ma manfo se be obenye sika de ahwe abofre ya nyankopa dawroma ene mo mu anti ye be able to claim back the cocoa to him me ba ya mo yes so enkura ni biba na ma ho kire ne ayi ntino edan ya so mu sikura na o mu ntimi nsini ade it is me me motive say edan ni nyina so ye besi mattress wo mu nya bi na so nyina ne ye to ni nyina ye de amo apart from Apia operations, we are also thinking of the well-being of the family, of the well-being because Sikebi and Commercial or Apia on committing the ABB at the Abubushia phone. It is all per update now. It's not Dr. Amwa number, the Dr. Amwa number, me pacho for any update. Me say video, me the receipt, no payment of the bill, no receipt, no ever come with ya and wash it. Ubet me a friend Dr. Amwa for any inquiries about Apia's this thing because the say any year. As aboafobia no ye wie ya afemu de the gospel must go and the gospel is still going twede amponyankopon hira na onye okehie say de biada osaka mi video na o share menemo ebede ma discover story bi na me pese menemo ehye na ehu ekwan ebefa so ebeboa abusuawi ewade hira na onye okehie the gospel must go me the last na me ka kire madam Fudi say wako say wo kwaka nyame asema kire obi na kom di nipa no se nyame nhira ntimi mfa duane ade emro eso pe bibi ma ede odi me pacho minua me baki tue me pese ye hwa ade bi wa ha nse fro eyo hina o me pese ye hwa ade bi wa ha aha ye village ye fra ha kwa chukwu na ye nanan ne bai nse mi kurukura de obi ka so mo ni ani nti na adwuma no ontimi nya kura na wo ye dey wo ye na me pese mo hwe abofra yi carefree me kwacho fa black cruiser abofra yi at the age of no di fi say
nya
bosome say fa kona mi nti na no masem wo se no nya say bosome nso na we no okay maami no Sa 7 times. Okay. Fabra na yentoa yonkomo no so. Na the entia this story is so pathetic. Me from neighbor you can see me mpaboa na me se kind is so pathetic. It's so pathetic. Se abushia no mato mu bibia. Se kro ma sa ase ase do mo sorry a omunya sempo ne te kompa so moto asase man. Asase me nto. Na mu me se abo abushia no. Eye minu mienu. Me kakra me wo. Eno wo kakra wo na mpese ye de pese ebu abusuan omonsa se japade abusuan japade nyina maton abusuan japade nyina ba ko aso do mo sori a omugye ye buru kakra se mo hwe diane a wodi fa kona me hade hwe diane a wodi obedua buru kakra wo so aye enya diane kakra dia mabusuan no omonsa be tan ama na na mse mento eti mesre minim se miniam doctors amu US me say mo doctors for mini crime or doctors best 4 and US mesre pa ani die ma no pay ahobrase so na me mun kotodwo kra no mun se mani abre because we me nko amintimi nye ani die mu pa mesre say aboa for momra with the aid o de so wo kwa mpo beti na be fa na ko abochire ono makoye no operation ko na abofre ho atona abofre da ne maame na busia fa koma so ti do mbedi kura na omoso mo de behwe abofre na abofre nso anya ne nkwa operation o maye mako 7 times ni nyina nso nkusiaga ti mesre am using me this black big platform so abofre yetimi ye no no so timi de aduane fa nanum se de mi mitimi de aduane fa manum a me giri say mission we nkwa mitimi ye mpo na se rade frame a I will be very happy twede ampanyankopon hira na onye okahye na de me pese me ka kire oni me free ha meje abusuana ankasa number me de abusuana number minimum delete mini obi en delete direct mema muni abusuana delete direct wo mo bi nso a enye fon so bra direct suma wo abochire kona ba bibia suma onipa wo Ghana so wo mra na wo mehwe ene yese patakere ya hodo ntino ya hu nkramofo papa obi timi kofo obi ba se no de ne nam no ogigi ska na Ghana ya hu bebre no ogigi sika dini ade ma mo meske bia mo de mo se me de omo contact mo bibia mo direct wo ye doctor wo ye NGO wo person oboa me say direct no phone call obi so frɛ outside me a ma mo mfi no sometimes bi mo fa me message no mo de ato mo page so last time mo ma biem se me koye me kosi dan bi ma obi wo esoro metie no obi de akoto ni page so ono wuji hu sika ede that is so pathetic and that is very bad ti ye hwe ni abofrɛ ya de sede anam de sere abusu nyina se ye moa na abofrɛ yin so no enya ahoden na wontimi enko emra se de minum yenu eye no twede aponyankopon hira na onye okese ma mentwem adwen si bibi so ye ni nkomo kakra hwe duru ba bia na Christopher ho osere wonim se obi kɔ asori sisi na osofo ka se ye yi sika de esi asonde 100 billion kro be yi wonim ye de esi asondan munya sa jimi no after the death of Christ, Acts chapter 7 verse 48, Erad also on a day anybody in sesim. I'm not speaking against helping the work of God. But who is the work of God? One in Yami. Share make master says your Bible now Genesis to Revelation. Me who be a Bible so kwa one to correction. O kwa your bar for your one yibi. Okay, come back to chapter 25, the verse 34 now. Was a come de me wa mame su come de me wa mame me da de jawe fra me yare wa me hwe me ba me hu baby was me preachy one to collection wo kwa asori wa ma fore and on some perception bi eji wura etri baby asie di esika boa ekohe. Let me tell you something. The only way to convert your words into the spiritual realm is to help the poor and the needy. Tini
PK brother.
The only way to convert your words ebi awu ajapade bi wo pese wo hwehwe wo ajapade e wo soro bua wunua asa bua wunua ti masre ahobase so ni die mu se muma ye nyina ye moa because abusua ne frɛ me omo so omo de asase ne ma me because of me project me omo de asase me nto ne nto chena me nto asase ne nto chena say if I have little say one city crowd make him the aboa me one city no also one city no obi so one city no ye from abusua because me buy you know me share me normal papa no wo ha ko beka ne dum asem ni koko ne me chese japan papa ni ye adwuma ankasa na so ni hye because of abofree mesra anidie mumie titumi nyan ma sofofo mo na mo sese mu scam ya doye. This is a typical example. We a typical example of someone who is in need. Eradi shira no onye okehye me mpa bo se twede aponyankopon ankasa nka ho na timiboa. Let me tell you, don't let your pastor be the Bible. Let the Bible be your pastor. I'm the Gongon Peter for Christ. Ebia now hear me contact any 0547 400 679 0547 400 679. Kura mi gina mu sesi e fa ha Kwachi Krom in the Bosome from home district. Kwachi Krom. Ebia wo kuma se wo akra wo pese oba behwe se abofra ye ken ebi kwa na e Photoshop enya no kre ene ye ya me pa cho Kwachi Krom apia yinsa. Ye fa ha Kwachi Krom wo free kuma se na e ba wo be fa ni adubia se ka wo fa ni adubia se ka wo su be si wo Asqua Junction wo si Asqua Junction from number yi wo free akra so na e ba wo be si wo Asqua Junction me se mo mia mu abofra yi momia mu abofra me se sa abochire kura na ese fla abofra ko ni yakoye na abofra ho to na ye fa abofra ko gina kwanche sika. I don't do that. Momia mu a twede aponyankopon hira na onye okese Media the Gongom Bita for Christ. Open in tema from the fearless preacher. Shalom. Peace. Akramo. Bye-bye. The gospel must go and the gospel is still going. Trade up on Yanko Punshana on your cashier. Let me say for the past it's a week, 2 weeks. Let me cry me message in mine. All because of our little boy over here. Then you know, say you better share the welfare. Say I cry no so many up. Say that my body dear will be funny. And then many just say I'm afraid to change to be here. I funny. It's your prescription direct here. Doctor needs to say, yes, and me I may share say baby. Doctor soon to me fat to say, Beshe, maybe be a person. I'm not a woman. And there a report to our doctor. I have to say any of my activities here because we are a bad life, every followers, or more who are afraid now. Now there's a problem I want to address here. But you need to know so why don't you the gospel is still going? We are update on Apia Joseph operation, update any person, or more person, and what for you said will be at your side. Yes, Christ, now can say because I got a phone. Two expectations on my back, I say thank you. But I open the air, it's me by so praise you, bet me a cautious and the moves are fan one day, with me papa, and your man can send my. It's next, Bibiania, as a map, my son so etty, Namu at the echo. Let me say, you probably brave. Yaman, the from Godi ladies. If I way, just representative. More representative. The year customer of those who let me say a brave of Frano and a bar social media man for a junior. Or the man train your crown fair for so. Or more family said, brother, and here now. You can see a new deal come on, and you come with a full surprise. Now, manage is other than you. Mutu car all the way from Kumasi. To talk to him, now you're planning here. Once I make out the eyes, I graduate. I said that. And that baby, I'm a young man. I will say, I will break. Now, she my mimu and she said, you July, you know, to talk to him by. No more buy and so many come. Now, the other class or mobile from my son, man is fine. I would be sure no matter how great exercise. And no matter any almost say I was almost no minimum crown, the condition, a visual condition. And part Yama mean by your Mokoyan, the Miador Mabofran, once I want to do our sharp, not extra. Never make a run musu. Long sleeves, ye baby. Any friends extra, and Talia come apart. And your uncle, I can't be because of what you say, I said, Doctor, this is only you. 7 you got to your back and they fought to I'm going about time. And so most of your madness and your academic education or mobile. It is Sarah like me, normal about friendly being an entire massive or more buy. Now, dear Bakua and then you were a junior. Almost share was say, oppression cost on oppression cost on. Yes, a man opposes, God disposes. Almost about one at the year says he come. Now, in Shra and Cat, Yame. I will say, you buy it. Move be a move friend, you have a sample present in here with what you call body ladies. I said, my body being issue. Or move by and also, or we are my so mobile, but we put on me, or we catch us on the back. But I said, come now, you're the chef for the operation. It's a year ban and almost every day, you're moving with some condition. It's only so many a bad year, obedience. Now, Sabu. Sikaya Ekrania. If you go the ladies for where deposit be and almost over there, what you call 8,000 and connected to the MCB and Indian 8 million and golden ladies. It's a mess, golden ladies, Mamma outside Ghana, Mamma Ghana in answer, and penny for you almost on Momrano and the Ghana Hano, Sadano, and your castle Mokomanko, and I say. The person who says Sikano Akayensa any our phone any Emsa Papa Nama or Mamini Akurani Sunye Papa need the Abroa Emsa Moba Mu Abrobi Eufio and one she is serious. Then you can see a bar a day program. It is a papa no mum de abroad echo. Na me so many many say be about who papa no ha na asitire no. It's golden ladies baby be a mo biano. You just say sika we so. Bible asama kan Matthew chapter 24:5. I say come to one man. Me daddy the one from Adoya amudi aye. Enam say mo ye about time na mo ye eman ti no. Ebi to obabi ani e friend Dorcas. Obabi ani e friend Dorcas. Dorcas ye ma mi bia no ya adoye. Na Bible me ati Dorcas wu. Dorcas wu say time na Peter mo ye evangelism e was our village no. Promo fo nyina wu say Dorcas e wo good heart. Wo ya adoye. Omam amam fontale she aduane bi. Omo ko free Peter by. E ka che Peter say Peter sama mi a wo wie de mo mpaye. Ensra nyame no mfa no kwankyai ampa ebra Peter mo ekope mo according to Bible no ma no mo aduane bi no mu calculate dia no ma na tale so akofa tale ekura no wosu Peter duru Dorcas no wa mo mpaye o wodi na chi sei e kire Dorcas fun eno o ka che Erade se Erade hwe ensama efri edoman muba na faso e peda mami at once Dorcas enyane meso me ejina ha esa nyame de womoni Erade se abatanfo wi etiti omumogbe sabo flesu ya ene mi just say sika we so golden ladies obi bi oyi simpo ana se teku e de baye no die ne dia se kura no fesika we so ele bi dia ne dia eya awo no se be wo hwe de obi die ebegina no wono so awo amen Erade shirawo na onye okese se de bia da woje bre na yetie nyame asem the patro ene eya update on Joseph Apia issue no ene eya update adia ba kwa me pese me listeners me followers na chi edu ba bia mo se gongon bita na adwenye we akwa we kwa dia ase okasaba heart yes Yesu Kristo odu asonde mo no yedi dwa na ke so opom acho mesra mu ye Yesu ha me papa fie mu wo bu Yesu obutu obebutu Yesu okahye obekahye chenitini ye ba hospital am say mumu bebre chichuru ma mo outside Ghana mo fra mo se mo pe doctor number mo pe account number ye case kana tu enam say me pese pepe de ka metimi de me number amount metimi de me account number amount ba me the account number ye case kana tu mere e de mo bibiara na me I never knew say a foundation account number omu yes bebre nso de mobile money se se me mo ka say me was 20,000 12 million account 200,000 say 200 yeah me followers say ka me so make say ya fa accounts physical cash e wo me bag me say na ye ba no ye ba hospital na me expect say bia doctors ne be ka say okay sika na amutua to accounts mu brother say ne nya I'm having all the receipt I'm screenshot here but they are telling me to go and pay again and bring another receipt muntie ye me de na minim say ye tua e bia e buy so akra na bia wonya 1 billion wonya say etie bia okay ene e the way your operation awofo munyi we ka minim say ka me fa account number na mamo minim say na be si anka I will never give you the account number ana man fa account number so ama wa wonyimi ni obeka say bia me na me ye me this kind say right now me na confirm not teaching hospital me free doctor no hospital ya na ya begina ya ma no ato ayi but they can never the money they can never spend enyo mo dia and a doctor no so the account number ni the number ma wan kan chem say a foundation bi na wutua won say dey enka me dey minim say 2000 20,000 200 million na me dey me ko tua na six people tua 200 million na wa kasa calculate we sabi abofra omuti oba mattress kwano awofo ni bida so em say golden ladies for ba behave baby omote eti me passe followers ni na asote na mu hu de dey e kwaso minim say bebre na afra me ba ye ma mu tua into the account no bebre na afra say doctor say so me frɛ me sanajo 100 o'clock me kwase say o meka say ye frɛ no kwano ere wodi ho me twa say doctor say me frɛ me no maka chem say okay sika ni say etu woni say what tua usika bi dia to account no for the child operation dia mesra what the for receipt no send me print it out just send me the receipt all those who paid into the account obi bia wo tua ni sika e dia to account mu eni die mu na ahobrase mu screenshot ndi amoame receipt na wo kotua bi ko bank na wo ye bibia ye ma receipt me pa cho fato oni twa ne picture never send me because sika bia motua bia na o make sure say I claim for the child akura ni nti and I made this account number na wo tua fa account number wo tua to mu bia no me sraw either say you can call me now receipt no screenshot it who screenshot share for WhatsApp me number ni 0547 400 679 a picture no never send me what send me am printing out it me ba minim say misika say and e next time will be yam why better na nipa no ye kan omaboa musimu ba nipa no ye friend say saju mu here sika say na adofo de ba you don't retreat and can you besi the besi twede akwanya kopon sha no nyoka hye yesem from so pack sadudo mu shalom peace bye bye.